Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Godot day 6. In our previous video, we already made the snake eat the apple, grow bigger, restart when it hits itself. So today, we are not rebuilding those things. We are going to improve the game by adding a score system. In this video, we'll create a score variable, increase score when the snake eats an apple, show the score on the screen, reset the score when the game restarts, make sure the apple never spawns on the snake. Let's start. Let's see a preview today what we'll do. Here you can see score when apple is eaten. You can see the score is increasing and the apple is showing in a random grid rather than in the snake's place. Let's create a variable called score where score equals to 0. 0 is the initial value. This variable stores the player's score. Each time the snake eats an apple, the score increases. Here in the main, we'll create a label. Add child node, label, create, we'll name it score label. Rename score label. Now we'll create a function to show the score on the screen. Let's create it func update update score score label dollar score label dot text equals to score plus str score. str converts the number into text. Score is the number. Score label is in text, so it will convert the score into text. Score label displays text on the screen. This function updates the score visually. Let's increase score when apple is eaten. In eat apple function, let's do it. Score plus equals to 1. What is the score? The score we have declared here. This initial value is 0. Plus equals to, it will convert to 1. Then it will be increased. It will be added 1 plus 1 like that. Update, here we'll call update score function. We'll remove that spawn function, this one, because our snake is growing by its position. So we don't need this function anymore. We'll remove it. Let's reset score on game over function. Inside game over, let's take score equals to 0. Let's call that update score function so that when game will be over, new game will restart and score will be obviously 0 in the starting. This score resets to 0. This label will be updated and scene will be reload. So the player can start the new game. Let's initialize everything when the game starts. inside the ready function. First, we'll clear the position of the snake positions dot clear. This is the snake head position, initial position. We'll not change this. We'll take the score to 0. Initial value is 0. We'll call update score function and the move apple function. Score is there, score. Yeah, fine. What this function does, this will clear old snake data. It will save the starting position of the snake head. It will reset the score, update the score label. It will place the apple on a safe empty grid. Let's update the apple movement logic. Let's do it. Move apple. Let's start where new position, new position. This is for the apple position. Vector 2, set it to vector 2. We'll change this range to grid size -1. Grid grid size -1. This error is because we have not declared the grid size. Let's create a variable const grid size equals to 20. Do this to the y also. New position dot position. This is the apple position. We'll place it with new position. This is the new position. Okay. Let's start a loop here. While true, while true, this this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the new position value in the vector 2. This x and y is set here. This will be the new position of the apple. It will be stay like that only. We'll add another logic here. If new position not in snake positions, then break the loop. Let's store the apple position to this new position. Dollar apple dot position equals to new position. We stored the position of the apple to this variable, this new position variable. Control I. This is an indentation issue. I'll fix it. Let's fix this issue correctly. This while loop is here and these variables will come inside this loop. So these will be in double tab. Double tab. See, fine. Here it will be also that only. It will be also that only. Each statement is outside the loop. It will also come inside this loop. Tab and this break will come inside this if tab. Fine. What we did in this function, random grid positions are generated. We check if the snake already occupies that grid. Apple is placed only on empty tiles, so the apple never appears on the snake. Let's run the code. Let's do it. Score is showing there. 1, you can see, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's working fine. Do you know why we have taken this tile size and grid size to 32 and 20? Because our game screen size is 64 and 64. So 64 by 32 equals to 20. That's why we have taken this grid size to 20 and tile size to 32. So what we learned today, we learned score system, score UI using label, score reset on restart, smart apple spawning. Everything else was already completed in day 5. What next we will learn? Sound effects, speed increase with score, better game feel. Thank you so much for watching. This was Godot Day 6. Keep practicing, keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye bye.